A star is a luminous sphere of plasma held together by its own gravity. However, most of the stars in the universe, including all stars outside our galaxy, the Milky Way, are invisible to the naked eye from Earth. Indeed, most are invisible from Earth even through the most powerful telescopes. Stars are gigantic balls of gas, mostly hydrogen gas. There is so much gas and other material that the gravity of this huge gas ball holds everything together. There is so much gravity that the gas becomes very dense and hot. What we see of stars is the energy released from the nuclear reactions inside their cores and then radiated from the surface. Since most stars are very far away, the light takes anywhere from a few years to millions of years to reach us. So the starlight that we see is very old indeed. There are many different kinds of stars. They come in many sizes and colors. Some stars even orbit around each other. We call these binary stars. There are so many stars, maybe an infinite number in the universe as a whole, that there are bound to be many Earth-like planets even if most stars don't have them. There are bound to be some that could sustain life. Unless the total number of planets is infinite, it's hard to say with confidence if any others actually do sustain life. Stars are extremely hot and therefore glow, like fire or an incandescent light bulb. What keeps them hot are nuclear reactions, kind of like in a hydrogen bomb, only running steadily rather than in a short burst. Most stars have solar systems, but the majority of these are very different from our own. Most stars have fewer, if any, orbiting bodies. As of today, there are a total of distributed across 677 planetary systems, and, as we are exploring this galaxy, we're finding far more systems of 2 or more stars than we are single-star systems. To date, we've observed systems of up to 7 stars, but there could theoretically be an unlimited number in one system. That said, it's important to recognize that our detection methods are definitely biased in favor of larger planets closer to their central stars. Just because we don't see a planet doesn't mean it's not there. It may be that we're not seeing the whole picture. But, as far as we know right now, your typical solar system, at least in the Milky Way, has more stars than ours, and few or no planets. Probably not what you were expecting. Stars sometimes twinkle because the light from them passes through the atmosphere, which has density variations which change in time. That's like passing through a constantly shifting set of lenses. It makes the image move around just a little. It happens with all stars, unless you're viewing from space. Maybe it's most noticeable with the brighter ones.